traveling. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. This was said by St. Austin, a well-known philosopher. This great saying clearly indicates the importance of traveling. Traveling is simply to move from one location to another. And we can travel by train, bus, car, plane, ship, boat and on foot. Reasons for traveling can be for pleasure, gathering information, holiday and visiting people. Traveling is another way to spend our time meaningfully and enjoyably. Climbing a mountain, going for a walk, boat ride and visiting people give us new experiences and knowledge. If we travel only, we can know about the things. Otherwise, we are like the frogs in the well. My dear friends, as today is the last day of the term, it's time to take a break. Freshen up your mind and enjoy yourself. Thank you.